Hey guys, it's Creative Redundancy back again here with another video, and this is going to be part of a video series on recycling and reusing common or everyday items to be repurposed or adapted for different situations, emergency type of situations, SHTF type of situations, or perhaps just for normal everyday use or camping type of situations. So in this one, I'm going to be showing off Ethernet cable, specifically Cat5, Cat6 type of cable. Now Ethernet cable is becoming a little bit more common. A lot more places have it. You can find it in the house, in the office, at a workplace, and of course you're going to be able to find Ethernet cable in a server room. Now Ethernet cable, when it's gutted out and has no inner strands on the inside of it, has a tensile strength of about 60 to 65 pounds. And when it has the strands on the inside, right, or it hasn't been gutted out, has a tensile strength of about 90 pounds, give or take. I've actually taken a gutted Ethernet cable and I actually lifted a large pail of sand, which weighed about 60 pounds. So that's about one of those 16-liter type of pails. And I lifted up a full pail of sand, gravel, that kind of mixture, and it barely even stretched the outer shell of it. So it has pretty good tensile strength for what it is, of course. Now, everyone's used straws for storing stuff, right? Specifically for fire, to make a fire straw, right? Well, you can do the same thing with gutted Ethernet cable. Although, it's a little bit narrower, as you can see. But the plasticky outer shell is more durable and it will stretch. So unlike a straw, which could split or pop open because if you have liquid or petroleum jelly and cotton balls inside, something like this is a little bit harder for you to like pop open. You can still melt the ends just like the straw. And of course the gutted inner strands, right, which I don't have shown right here, but pretending that the inner strands are still inside of this Ethernet cable, they can be used to conduct electricity, which could be useful. And of course those individual strands could be used for other reasons too, right? Now another thing you could use gutted Ethernet cable is to replace the inner strands with something else, such as like this right here. Add parachute cord in, or add in jute twine in, right? And take advantage of that outer shell of the Ethernet cable, which is actually meant to be quite strong, and it'll add protection and a little bit more durability for the cordage that's on the inside. It's not too hard to do. All you gotta do is just take some fishing line, weave the fishing line through it, then have fishing line at both ends. Then at the other end, you tie it in, your cordage that you want to pull through, and just pull it through with the fishing line. And the fishing line should be about 20 to 30 pound test, just so it's just easier, and just pretty much just pull it right through. And that's what I did with the parachute cord and with the jute twine. So if you enjoyed the video, hit that like, thumbs it up. If you're new to my channel, hit that red bar below that says subscribe. If you're a recurrent subscriber, thanks for all your support, comments, and general good input. As the world changes, so must oneself. To reach a new level of skill and knowledge, one must practice. Because unfortunately in this world, one person can't help everyone. But one person, that includes me, you guys out in YouTube land, can help someone in the world. Alright guys, till the next video, peace.